Point capital A is 25 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Another point B is 25 mm behind VP and 40 mm below HP. Draw their projections when the distance between their projectors parallel to XY line is 0 and add the right side view only to point B. So this is the problem. So a point A is 20 mm above HP. So a point is 20 mm above HP. When you look from the front view, the image will going to be seen in VP, and 25 mm in front of VP. When you look from the top view, the distance in front of VP 25 mm is seen in HP. So we can see that the image is on HP. So this will be A. Another point B is 25 mm behind VP. So another point B 25 mm behind VP. When you look from the top view, the image falls on HP, so it will be on HP here, and 40 mm below HP. So when you look from the front view, the distance below HP is seen here, and when it is projected, it will be projected onto vertical plane, which will be B dash. Draw their projections when the distance between the projectors parallel to XY line is 0. That means both the points will going to be on the same line, and add the right side view only to the point B. So the point B is in third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, what happens? It will be behind VP. Since it is behind VP, so behind right profile plane. So when you look from the top view, when you look from the right side view, the distance behind VP, which is seen in the behind VP, which is seen in HVP and also in HP. So here, when you rotate this right profile plane, so B dash and B double dash both will going to be on the same plane, and here HP is rotated down, and in first quadrant HP is rotated down, and in third quadrant HP is rotated to the top, and right profile plane is rotated to the right side. So then what happens is, the top view of the point B in the third quadrant will come above XY line. The front view, the top view of the point A in first quadrant will come below XY line. So B double dash will come to the right side. So here that we can, A dash is above XY line, so A dash is above XY line, and the top view of A in the first quadrant will come below XY line. So the top view of A will comes below XY line, and the top view of B in third quadrant will come above XY line. The top view of B will come above XY line, and the front view will be below XY line. The front view of the point B will going to be below XY line, and the right side view of the point B will going to be on the right side view on the right side, which is here. Now how to, so this is what, when it is been rotated, it has been shown here without having the planes, everything has been taken it out. So now we are going to solve the problem in manually. So first we are going to draw the XY line, and here, so a top view, a point A is 20 mm above HP. So first you draw a vertical projector at any distance. You draw a one vertical projector with a thin line. A point A is 20 mm above HP. Above HP will always comes above XY line. So from here you measure 20 mm and mark this point. Since it is above HP, the image will going to fall on vertical plane. So that will going to be the front view. So you mark that point as A dash. And 25 mm in front of VP. In front of VP will come always below XY line. So from here you measure 25 mm below XY line and you mark that point, which will going to be small a. And then another point B is 25 mm behind VP and 40 mm below HP. Draw the projection when the distance between the projectors parallel to XY line is 0. So that means both the projector A and both the projector B will be overlapping with each other. So that is the reason why he says projector is 0. So it will be on the same line. So another point B is 25 mm behind VP. So behind VP is always comes above XY line. So from here you measure 25 mm and you mark that point. Since it is behind VP, the image going to fall on HP. So since the image is on HP, so obviously it will going to become the top view. So this point will be small b. Now 40 mm below HP. Since it is below HP, it will be, image will go to fall on vertical plane. So since image is on vertical plane, so we will go to get the front view. So from XY line you measure 40 mm and mark below XY line, which is B dash. Then add the right side view only for the point B. So here the point B, which will be on the right side view, so that is behind RPP. So that is the point which you are going to be get. So since behind RPP distance, which we don't know at what is the distance, so from here you draw x1 y1 line at any distance. So you have to project only the point B, you have to add the side view. So from here, since the top view has to be projected onto a 45-degree line, so adjacent to the top view you draw a 45-degree line. So since B is above XY line, so the top view 45 degree is also above XY line, and then draw a vertical projector from the top view of B to the 45-degree line. Then what happens? The distance which is above behind VP, which is 25 mm here, when it comes here, it will going to become vertical. So when it is transferred, that distance here, so what happens? This distance has been transferred to be the horizontal distance, which will going to become this. Then draw a vertical projector from 45-degree line to the downward to the side view, and draw a horizontal projector from B dash. So this will going to intersect at this point. So this will going to become B double dash. So the view what you are going to get at this will be the right side view, because it is behind RPP. So this is how we will be able to solve this particular problem in the sketchbook, and show the dimensions, which is 20 mm here and 25 mm here, and this is 40 and this is 25. So this is how we will be able to solve this problem.